Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Sam and I would love to have you guys subscribe so you won't miss out on any new videos. So today I am back with another hygiene favorites. I feel like I've been doing so many like Bath and Body Works videos and like fragrance videos that I really wanted to do another hygiene favorites of the month, or just like hygiene products I've been loving these days. So yeah, without further ado, let's just go ahead and get started. So I'm kind of gonna just go in like random order today because I don't feel like separating everything, but my first favorite is an oldie but a goodie. This is just a classic Dove wipe bar. My mom has so many of these. I'm pretty sure she bought them from Costco in like the big packs, but the Dove wipe bar has just been so amazing these days. I just love how universal it is. Like, I use it all over my body and for the downstairs area because it's just super great for that. There's no fragrance and it's super gentle. I love how moisturizing it is. It's not super stripping at all. This is a beauty bar, so it does have like cream in it, I believe. Like, it's a beauty cream bar. You can find these at Dollar Tree, Target, anywhere. I just love how it doesn't have a scent. You can just pair it with whatever body wash you want. But yeah, this is our first favorite of the month. Next up, I have a body wash, and this is my Caress Cocoa Butter and Oat Milk body wash. You can find this at Family Dollar. This is a Family Dollar exclusive. It smells divine. I love this scent. It just smells like cocoa butter. It smells like cocoa butter, like a very sweet, warm scent. Not super sweet, but I think it would be so nice for those of you guys who love like sweet, warm vanilla scents. It has cocoa butter and oat milk, like I said, and it's supposed to be moisturizing, which I do think it is. You guys know how much I love my Crest body washes, so this has definitely been one of my favorites, and I just love this like gold metallic color. I think it looks so fancy. So this is another one of my favorites. Another body wash I have absolutely been obsessed with is my pink chiffon shower gel from Bath and Body Works. Now, I only have the shower gel in this. I should probably pick up the body lotion and the fragrance mist, but I know that they're not going anywhere, and I know that they're gonna continue to go on like the $5.50 sales, so I'm pretty sure I might just wait for that. But pink chiffon is such an old scent. It is a retired fragrance, so you do have to get it online unless it's during the semi-annual sale, but it is just such a nice, girly, like sweet fragrance. It's so good. It's not too sweet, like nothing like a Boardwalk Taffy, but it's so like, it kind of reminds me of a gummy bear in a way. It is so good, like a pink gummy bear. That is exactly what it like reminds me of. Fragrance notes are sparkling red pear, jasmine petals, tiare flower, vanilla orchid, and chiffon musk. I think it is the pear in here that kind of gives it a tiny bit of tanginess to it, and I don't mean that in a bad way. I love this scent and it is so nice. I feel like I kind of used to be like, oh, like, you know, Bath and Body Works shower gels aren't like super crazy good, but honestly, they lather so well, and especially if you can find this on a good sale like SAS, it is perfect to pick it up for like $3 or $4. Amazing. The next product I have to share with you guys is actually a scrub. This is a Tree Hut Cocoa Colada scrub, Shea Sugar scrub, and I love this scent so much. I've actually been getting more and more into coconut. I feel like I was kind of like over coconut for a little while because I had so much, but now I just am back obsessed with this, and the scent is so good. It is not like a very tropical fruity coconut. It's like a sweeter coconut oil coconut, and I really love it. I actually haven't had this scent before now, but it's so good. I feel like this is one of their OG scents. They used to have this back in the day when I was like in high school, and I would use the mango one so often. I just feel like a scrub is needed for summer because it helps get off all the dirt and oil off your skin, and it makes your legs and your arms just perfectly soft and smooth for shaving, which I'm just obsessed with, and I found this at Target, so you can definitely get it there. Another thing I've been loving this month is my silicone body brush. Now, I got this off of Amazon. I will link my Amazon storefront in my description down below, so you guys can just click the link and find this there. It is so good. It is so soft on your skin. I honestly haven't been using my loofah at all because I got this and I'm just in love with it. I feel like it doesn't collect as much bacteria. You can kind of wash it and disinfect it a little bit and it will be perfect. I love the color and it's dripping wet right now. But there's this side which I typically go for, and then there's like this like bumpier side which is really nice if you want to get like give yourself a little massage. It's really, really good, and it helps lather your what is it called, shower gels perfectly. I find that when I use a washcloth with certain body gels or shower gels, it just doesn't lather the same as it does on a loofah, but this is perfect. Go pick it up, and I love this pink color. I think it matches my walls perfectly, so I love this. Okay, I said I wasn't going to go in any specific order, but I feel like I kind of am just because it's like force of habit. But for lotions, I've been loving my EOS Shea Better 24-Hour Moisture Body Lotion in Vanilla Cashmere. This is my favorite scent out of the whole EOS lotion line. They need to add more scents because honestly, like the formula of this is just so freaking good. The scent of this, it smells like a vanilla cupcake. If you guys love vanilla scents, you're going to love this. I feel like even for those of you guys who aren't obsessed with sweet scents, you might actually still enjoy this. My sister really, really loves this, and she doesn't even like sweet gourmand fragrances. It is just a perfect vanilla scent. The moisture on this is so freaking bomb. Like, it makes your skin so smooth, but it's not greasy or heavy in any way. I have the pomegranate one and the coconut one, and I love this formula. I think the bottle is so cute and it's just amazing. Another body lotion that I have is actually a body cream. This is Papaya Paradise Cove Ultra Shea Body Cream from Bath and Body Works, of course. This is a scent they had out, I'm not honestly sure, maybe last year, and I found it during the sale. I wish I could have found the fragrance mist because I love the lotion so much. But I love this because it's just a nice, fresh, clean scent. It's a little aquatic and a teeny bit fruity, I'm assuming. There's fresh papaya, starfruit water, honeysuckle, passion flower, and amber. But what I love most about this is that you can pair it with so many different fresh fragrances. I have one here that I will be showing you guys. You can pair it with a lot of different fragrances. Even if you don't wear scents, this would be amazing because it's just going to make your body smell clean and give you that nice moisture. Highly recommend picking this up. If you can find it on like Mercari or something, I feel like it's not going to be too expensive. I do recommend this though. If you can find it somewhere, it's amazing. I wish I did. I wish I had it in the other forms. Next thing I have is a Cremo Moisturizing Shave Cream in Coconut Mango. I recently picked this up and I've been loving this for my shaving days. It is so moisturizing and thick. I love it so much. The scent is amazing. Coconut and mango, I didn't think they would be like such an amazing pair. I mean, I didn't think they would be a horrible pair, but it is such a good scent. Like, I love this fragrance. Like, they need to make this in like a lotion or something. And it is super moisturizing. Like I said, it's about $6 I believe at Target, and they have a bunch of other scents. I think they have a lavender one and maybe one more, but I have the coconut mango. I recommend it. It gives you a nice shave. It's kind of in between a shave foam and a cream because it kind of, like, you can see where you shaved, if that makes sense. But I love using this with just like any regular schmegular razor. It really makes my legs feel super smooth. As for deodorant this month, I picked up the Dove Advanced Care Pear and Aloe scent, and this has been my favorite deodorant of the summertime. It is so good. It smells so clean and fresh, and it keeps your pits so dry and stay smelling fresh and bomb all day. I highly recommend this. I'm definitely going to be taking this with me when I travel, and this is just a great go-to deodorant for everyday wear. It doesn't disrupt, you know, the other scent you have going on your body. Pick this up. It's so good, and you can typically find it. I've seen it at Walgreens, and I picked this one up at Walmart, but I haven't really seen it at Target. So let me know if you guys can find it at Target. I really want to find the shower gel or like the body wash in this form. But yeah. Another thing I have that has just been one of my favorite things to use is this Vaseline Healing Jelly Cocoa Shimmer Jelly Stick. That is a mouthful. But what I love about this is that it comes in the form of a stick, so you don't have to dip your fingers in like a tub of Vaseline. I mean, you totally can, but I just hate that greasy feeling on my hands. This makes it so easy. And if you guys can see, it is like this gold shimmery color, and it just looks so beautiful on your skin. You can pair this, of course, with any fragrance mist. I love to pair it with a fragrance mist or a lotion, or not a lotion, a perfume. It makes your scent last so much longer, and it gives you a nice little glow. I'm not sure if you guys can see that, but in person it looks so beautiful, especially when I put it on my shoulders. I like to put it right here and on my little like collarbones. It looks so glowy in the sun, and it just looks beautiful. I got so many compliments telling me like, you look so glowy, like when I go out and I wear a tank top and I put this on. So I highly recommend using this for that. Or, you know, you could get the regular one if you're not into shimmer. They have a bunch of other ones. I think they have an aloe one and just a regular Vaseline stick. So yeah. One more kind of like random thing, and then we will go ahead and jump into our fragrances. This is my Tula Skincare Rose Glow and Get It Cooling and Brightening Eye Balm. This thing came in my FabFitFun box. I did purchase that myself, so it's not like it's sponsored or anything. I purchased the FabFitFun box for the first time. I love it. I highly recommend if you guys love subscription boxes and you love beauty and stuff like that, because I got this in there and it seriously does cool your under eyes. Like, it is so nice, and I felt like I wasn't getting enough moisture in my under eyes. I feel like I need to pick up a eye cream or of some sort soon, because my, like, I don't know, I wouldn't call it a wrinkle, but it's just like the little crease I have underneath my eye. It's been creasing my makeup a lot, so I've been putting this on and it has been helping. I just love the way this feels. It feels like a spa. It feels like you are getting like a massage, and I'm all about that. So I highly recommend. I think you can find this on like Sephora or something. I recommend this. I'm definitely going to get another one once I'm out of this, but the color is so cute. It's just like this pink little balm. It kind of looks like chapstick or like a glue stick, but you just swipe it underneath your eyes, and I like to put it like a little bit on top, and it works amazing. I love this product so much. Alright, so we are on to our fragrances finally. We kind of jumped off track, but first fragrance is something I heard from a bunch of different people here on YouTube, but I feel like not a lot of people mention it. This is the Calgon Morning Glory fragrance mist. It took me a really long time to find this. I found mine at Walgreens. I know that Walmart sometimes sells it, but I couldn't find it at any of my Walmarts. The scent of this is just so fresh. Like, it is so nice. I think I want to leave this in my car just in case like I want to freshen up. It smells amazing. Like, I just feel like this scent is so fresh. It definitely says like it's a morning glory. I would just spray this on after my morning shower before I go to work or something like that. It would be perfect for that. I don't know. This is about $9, which I guess is a little pricier, but I think it's definitely worth it. I love this fragrance, and I love the other fragrance forms they had as well. They had like a peach one and an orchid one, which I do want to pick those up. They smelled so good. Like, the lasting power isn't super amazing, but I do like to pair these two together, and it'll last a couple of hours, maybe like 3 or 4. These two make a beautiful pairing. I feel like they were kind of meant for each other. It is a nice, fresh fragrance. There's a little bit of musk in there, I feel like, but definitely pick this up. Our last fragrance is something I am so excited about, you guys. This is a scent that you guys know I've been wanting forever, and I finally just bit the bullet and bought it off of Mercari. Without further ado, ladies and gentlemen, we have, are we ready? Confetti Cake Pop. I'm crying because this scent has been on my wish list for so long, and I got the body cream and the lotion during the semi-annual sale, and I had to just pick it up in the fragrance form. The packaging, let's just give her a moment because she deserves a moment. So adorable. Scent, amazing. Like, I'm wearing this now, and I don't even like warm fragrances during the daytime. I'm typically more of a warm fragrance person at night, but it smells so good. You smell like a bakery. You literally just smell like cake batter. I don't know why they would not add this in during the Bake Shop collection because it would be perfect for that, but it smells so good. So original. Please, Bath & Body Works, make more cake-like fragrances because I'm obsessed with this. I do think it's worth it, but I got it for about, I think like $15 or $20 with shipping because I did have a coupon, and yeah, I recommend it. I love it. Alright, you guys, so that is the end of today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing all of my hygiene favorites of the month. I love making these videos, so I'm excited to start bringing them back and, you know, doing more hygiene related content and also my lifestyle content that I feel like I've been trying to implement within my channel. But I just want to say thank you guys so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye! When